I want to eat this. I want to eat this. Somebody come to my house and slap this soap out of my hands. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just really had to share these super cute soaps with you that were sent to me. This company called SugarFree Cosmetics sent me a package and everything is so fucking cute. I just spit everywhere. That I wanted to make a video because I've never seen soaps that are so adorable. So without further ado, let's look at some tasty soaps. Like, I am not joking when I say these are absolutely adorable. Yes, these are soaps. Soaps! So, on this plate, we have, I think, my personal favorite, which is the minty chocolate soap cupcake. Very cute, and it smells just like the name sounds. I think that's why it's my favorite. Very mint chocolatey. Then we have up next the Wired Mocha Soap Cupcake, which has some really cute gold specks on it too. Very nice. Yet again, smells like it sounds. Crazy, I know. And then, last but not least for the cupcake soaps, we have, oh, what is it called? It was so funny to me. Mountain Dude and Cheetos. Okay, does that not have Diva from Overwatch written like all over it? Like, I laughed my ass off when I pulled this out of the box. That's hilarious, and it smells good. So those were all really cute, and then on top of that, this company doesn't just make cupcake soaps, they also have strawberry cheesecake soap, complete with a strawberry on top. Of course not edible, don't be silly. But it smells absolutely delicious. And then we also have the lemon meringue pie soap. Smells fucking good, man! So like, I can't get over how fucking cute these soaps are, right? Excuse my foul mouth, I probably need to wash it out with soap. Don't do that though, really don't. But like, seriously, these are so cute. So anyways, I just wanted to do this little video showing off how fucking cute these soaps are because I can't get enough of them, and this is quickly becoming like my favorite soap company. So yes, check them out, SugarFree Cosmetics, and they don't just make soap. They make lip balms. So this is the Milk Chocolate Rose, which I actually used before filming today, and it's super hydrating. I really like it. They also do a shower frosting, which you can use in the shower, and it's whipped in this jar. It smells delicious. This particular one is Foggy Poppy Field. So it's really nice, and they even have eyeshadows. So 3 that she sent me were Smoking Section, which is this nice like charcoaly gray color. We also have I Tell You What, which is this nice green color. And we have Fashion Salmon for all you fashionable fish out there. So, really great company. I'm in love. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. These soaps were just too cute. I had to film them. Check them out. SugarFree Cosmetics.